up, y'all? It's Chef AC, and today I am booked with my Airbnb partnership in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we will be making my famous creamy Tuscan chicken and my house salad with some chocolate mousse. So let's get started. We are going to start on our chicken. I have already seasoned the bottom. It has been marinating for about 20 minutes now, and now we're going to start on the top. So this is my favorite seasoning. No, you cannot have the recipe because it's not for sale. If I decide to actually give y'all the recipe, will y'all actually book with me? I doubt it. So this is my favorite seasoning. We're gonna top it off with some olive oil, and then we're gonna pop these into a skillet and brown these and then top them in the oven. So once I put them in the oven, they'll be in there for about an hour, and we are going to start on chopping our salad and our chocolate mousse. So we got everything seasoned, and I am going to marinate the chicken for another 30 minutes while I chop up all of our veggies and saute them, because with our creamy Tuscan chicken, we have peppers, tomatoes, cream sauce, and our fresh herbs. Our fresh herbs really bring out the taste in this dish, so we're gonna definitely zoom in on those. So we're gonna start off with some fresh parsley, we have some rosemary, and we also have some thyme. So we're gonna chop all of these up, and we're gonna toss them into our herb dish, and we're gonna season those with our chicken as well. And then we're gonna saute our garlic and our peppers and onions. So I have all my fresh herbs mixed together. I'm going to add these into the marinade, but I'm also going to saute these and season the oil that we're going to fry these in, and then we're going to put them in the oven. Now that we have our chicken sizzling over here, we're gonna start on our rice. And yes, we make yellow rice from scratch because why not? So we're gonna make some spiced yellow rice, and we are gonna start with 3 cups of water, 3 cups of rice. And the rice is already washed. Please wash your rice because it is dirty. So go ahead and wash it, and you can also season rice. It doesn't have to be just water and butter. It can have a little taste, a little flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and char our peppers and our tomatoes. I do not like a strong pepper taste in my creamy Tuscan chicken, so I like to saute it first just to dull down the taste of the peppers, because peppers can give it a strong bitter taste. Even though they are red and yellow peppers, it's not always sweet. So we're gonna dull it down, and then we're gonna let these cook down for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna toss those in there and make our sauce. So we have everything ready to go in the oven. I'm just going to pour over our Tuscan sauce into our chicken, and we're gonna leave it in the oven for about 45 minutes on 425. Doesn't that look amazing? You know, it's giving delicious. So we're just going to pop this in the oven. We are going to cover it, so we're going to cover it for 45 minutes and give it a go. Once it's out of the oven for 45 minutes, you can give it a rest for about 10, and then it's ready to serve. So now we're going to go ahead and finish off our rice, our salad, and our chocolate mousse. Now that dinner is ready to be served, I hope you enjoyed the show and loving this view. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. I want to hear your feedback. What should I make next for my clients? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.